Hi guys, I want to show you a cool new feature that Cricut came out with. It is a slow rollout, but Cricut has now started using Create AI. It's their form of AI to help users who have Cricut access create images that they want that's in silhouette. So each month you get 20 generated images and it restarts every month. As long as you're a Cricut Access member, you're able to use this. And it's really cool because whatever words you use to generate an image, the image that you select to bring onto your canvas will be saved on here so that you could use it later. So remember, it's only 20 images that you generate. So down here, I'll show you how many credits remaining. Even if you don't select on it, but if it generated an image, that is what you have used for the day. So let me say I wanted like snowflakes. Let me see. I don't know, snowflakes in the globe. Let's see what it comes up with. Oops, spell snowflakes wrong. Let me make sure I get it right. And then I hit enter. It'll take a while to generate the image, but this is a cool little feature that if you wanted to create certain things, it could come up. You could be a little bit more descriptive as well. I just chose a simple description, but you could say cabinet, but make sure you do it in a way where it seems like a robot would understand simple command and piece things together to generate the images. Maybe mine was too simple, so it's taking a bit. And here it is. Isn't it cute? So when you did that, it deducted 1 credit. If you select it, it'll pop up on your screen. On the right hand side, you can see that it's grouped. You can drop down and then you could hide the layers if you want, or hide specific layers, and then just do normally what you would do to edit your project. If there are glitches, you could report it to Cricut. This is a slow rollout again, and it's a new functionality that is available to Access members. It's pretty cool. I've used it to generate an image. I put a man and a woman, Asian man, Asian woman with a multi-poo, and this is what came up. So I love my dog. See you later.